Monday, March 9th, 2026, Astro Excel chart for the coming week. The green line is flatlining. This morning here, we're going to be flatlining right around the zero line until we get to the 12th, where it starts to turn up and make a good push to the upside and then finish out the week about plus 15. So the first, the majority of this week, actually, there's not a lot of pressure directionally from the planets in this summation. Blue line, important peak this morning here at 8 a.m. coming into that. Now we've got spike tonight 2100 and early morning 1 a.m. Then late Tuesday, right at midnight, early Wednesday morning. Next big spike would be here at 1500 on the 11th. 4 a.m. spike on the 12th, and then the last one of note would be Friday, a broad bottom between 2 and 3, and then we retest and touch that 10 line, minus 10 line here between 6 and 7 a.m. So that's the Astro pressure for the coming week.